Hello, I'm Johanna Aalto, and in this video I'm going to show you how to get started with Datacamp Introduction to R. Let's start. You can find the link to the Datacamp Introduction to R page here. On the right you can see the form where you can create your free account. On the upper left there is a short description of how the program works. Down left you can find exercises you should do. Up right there is a box you write the script. We can also see that there is a simple code already. Let's run the program by clicking the Run Code button. Results appear to the console box below the script. Let's calculate the next addition by ourselves. I will type the equation and run the code. Answers with equations was found in the console box. If you want feedback or to collect some points, you can submit your answer. On the left you can see a black box with points, feedback and a continue button. Clicking continue, you will get new exercises with theory and examples. The further you go, the more difficult exercises you get. We can also delete original code and write our own code instead. Then run the script and watch the results. Thank you for watching. More videos coming.